Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Webflow to Zapier for form submissions and UI actions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Webflow account and open your project. Navigate to the project settings by clicking on the gear icon. Select the Integrations tab from the left sidebar. Scroll down to find the Zapier section and copy the unique API key provided. Next, visit the Zapier website and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button in the top right corner. For the trigger step, search for Webflow and select it. Then, choose a trigger event, such as form submission. Click on Continue, and connect your Webflow account by pasting the API key. Select the specific Webflow site you want to connect from the drop-down menu. Test the connection to ensure it works properly. After a successful test, click Continue to move on to the action step. For the action, search for the app you want to connect to, like Google Sheets or Slack. Select the appropriate action event, then click Continue. Connect your select. Map the form fields from Webflow to the corresponding fields in your chosen app. Once everything is set up, test the action to confirm it functions as intended. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your integration. You can now submit a form on your Webflow site and see the data flow into your connected app seamlessly. This completes the integration setup between Webflow and Zapier for form submissions and UI actions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.